In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Squarespace membership and subscription website. We'll start right inside your Squarespace site dashboard. First, open your website and head to Pages in the left-hand sidebar. This is where you manage all of your site's structure, and it's also where Squarespace groups special page types. In the Pages panel, look for the area that highlights additional options. From there, choose Content and Memberships. This is the hub for creating members-only areas and controlling who can access specific content. Next, select Member Site. A member site is essentially a protected area on your website where only people with a plan can view what you post. It's great for courses, premium articles, community resources, or client materials. Inside the member site setup, open the Events option. Adding events here gives your paying members access to private workshops, classes, or meetups. Perfect if live sessions are part of your offer. Now it's time to set up how people will pay for access. Click Add a Pricing Plan, then select Create Pricing Plan. You'll see a form with highlighted fields. Type your plan name and a short description in those fields. Keep the name clear and the description benefit-driven, so visitors immediately understand what they get. Use the highlighted controls you see to fine-tune details, such as what content the plan unlocks or how it's shown to visitors. Don't worry about perfect wording on the first pass, you can edit later. For how members pay, you have two common choices. Click 1. Payment if you want a single, one-time fee for lifetime or fixed-term access. Fill out the highlighted pricing fields for that option, making sure the amount and any duration details are correct. If your offer is ongoing, click Subscription instead. Use the highlighted selectors to choose a billing interval, like monthly or yearly, and set the recurring price. Subscriptions are ideal for content you update regularly, or communities that need ongoing support. Once everything looks good, the plan name, description, payment type, and price. Click Create to save it. Give your plan a quick review for typos and pricing accuracy. After it's created, your member site will use that plan to gate the content you add, and your events inside the member area will only show to people on that plan. You can repeat this process later to add more plans, such as a basic and a premium tier, or adjust the text if you need to clarify what's included. That's it. You've set up a Squarespace member site, connected events, and created a pricing plan with either a one-time payment or a subscription.